Hey there, welcome back to Free Mama TV. Lauren Golden here, and today we are going to talk about some semi-passive income strategies for you to start earning money while you're sleeping. Okay, so I'm not going to lie to you. The buzzword passive income has been going crazy for the last few years. And I get really triggered by a lot of online entrepreneurs that I would say are wildly outside of integrity by telling you that you can create some of the things we're going to talk about today as passive income. The true definition of passive income is to invest money that works for you that you can live off of. So it will create some sort of cash flow for you that requires no work whatsoever. And the problem with passive income is that everybody wants it, but not a lot of people can actually afford to even get started with passive income. The reason for that is because it takes a lot of capital up front to invest in either stocks or real estate, for example, to have the kind of return that you can live off of completely passively. Now, you can go check out this video about the cash flow quadrant and how you can become self-employed, start a business, and scale to ultimately invest and meet those passive income goals. But for most of us, we need something a little more accessible. And I want to show you just how accessible semi-passive income is inside of this video. So what's semi-passive income? Well, semi-passive income means you are going to have to work. So let's just be honest and not blow smoke. I had a client come to me recently. She was all upset because a year or two ago, she bought a course from a guru who told her that courses were passive income and it was going to be rainbows and unicorns and butterflies and all the things. And she's never worked harder in her life. And she had no revenue coming because not only did this person not be honest about what it took to build a course or the fact that it wasn't even passive income, but they didn't even teach her properly how to sell it and make sure that she was making money from it. So she came back to the Free Mama community and was like, what the heck? I'm not reaching my goals. And now I'm completely burnt out. So with passive income, you are going to have to work. The good news is you work up front. And the way that I can show you how to do some of these things is making sure you have proof of concept and you are basically getting paid to even go build the thing. Now, the beautiful thing about digital products and the internet is that you don't run out of inventory. So you build it once. Yes, it takes a lot of effort, but then you can sell it over and over and over again. And the ongoing maintenance of the products themselves is fairly low. And then your work is going to really be on the front end in terms of driving traffic in order to make those sales. This is a big change from moving from a one-to-one service provider type business, which is how I actually started. If you are brand new to the internet and making money online, you can check out this video about how to get started. And it's beautiful. It changed my life. Freelancing helped me leave my 9-to-5 job. But after I'd been doing it for a few years, I wanted to kind of move the gap wider between my work and the money that I was producing. I didn't want my time to be exchanged for money, and creating some of these semi-passive revenue streams can help you do just that. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this channel. You'll be notified every time we drop a new video. And also I will refer to some of the hundreds of videos we already have here that are amazing resources to you to help you get started making money using the interwebs. Now, I'm really excited to dive in because I'm really just telling you exactly what the revenue streams are within my own business. The reason this is beneficial is because you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just model it. And like I mentioned, you will probably find a tutorial somewhere on here going into more information about each one and how you can actually go about getting it set up and running. The first one I already alluded to is starting digital products. You never run out of inventory. You are using your information, your skill set, the value that you can offer to other people. And it doesn't just have to be about business. It can be about time management. It can be about health. It can be about wellness. It can be about sewing. It can be about making cookies. I literally have friends doing all of these things online because people want access to information and they want someone to shorten their own learning curve and show them how to do it. And this is how I really transferred from being a one-to-one service provider as a freelancer into more of an online entrepreneur course creator, was through digital products. Now, within digital products, there's two different routes that you can go. I recommend starting with one, and then you can expand after you get one up and running. So I did not try to build all of this at the same time. The first is going to be your more expensive product. I launched with the Free Mama Movement, which teaches people how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. That's what I was doing. That's what I was good at. I wanted to teach moms how to be able to do that. And I wanted them to learn not just from anybody, but from an actual mom with young kids, so that there was the elements of time and motivation within there. And it was more realistic for the lifestyle that they were aspiring to live to. So that's how I was able to launch my digital products. What's awesome about creating a course like this is that, yes, I had to work hard to build it up front. It took a lot of time and energy, but once it exists, it exists. It doesn't require anything from me. There's no coaching. It's completely do it yourself, which means that when someone buys it, it's all built out and automated, and I don't do anything for them to get the fulfillment of the information in that product. Then you have your less expensive stuff. You see these being called SLO offers, tiny offers. There's all kinds of bundle little things basically, but it's going to be less expensive. It's going to fall in your like $7 to $97 range typically. I have a book that I wrote that is also on Amazon, which is another way that I earn semi-passive income, but we have actually digitized it. We added it with videos and worksheets that you can't get anywhere else and turned it into an inexpensive digital product. Again, I started with the big course, but then I was able to take some of that content and other things I had done. I was able to unbox it, as Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels would say, and turn it into smaller digital products. Now, what's really cool is that I've had this product suite for 5 years now, is that a lot of people will start with my less expensive digital products, and they will then ascend into my course once they know, okay, this girl knows what she's talking about. This stuff is helpful. They build that know, like, and trust factor, and then they go on to buy some of my more expensive digital products. Okay, the second way that I earn semi-passive revenue inside of my business is through commissions. And I receive commissions from several different resources by recommending programs and software and product that I actually like or use. The first way that I can earn commissions is through affiliate marketing. So there might be another business owner that I want to collaborate with and bring their offer to solve a problem that I don't actually solve in my business for my audience, that I know it's something that they would want. I've done this both with business relationships, but also, again, because I primarily work with moms, there are parenting or marriage resources where that's not my area of expertise, but I might be using these products, or I might be, utilizing these coaching services, and I want to share that with other people. And because I'm the one sharing my audience with these other people, they will pay me a commission from their sales from me bringing them those leads. I also get paid a commission every single month from Amazon, both for my own book sales, but also for other products on Amazon that I'm promoting. So we have a monthly book club. I am picking those books. We share them with our audience who's reading the book, and we share that under an affiliate link. We are driving those book sales and making those recommendations. Also, anytime I get something for my office that I'm talking about, or something that I use like my ring light in my business, we'll put links to that for other people to have those same resources I have to do what I do. And by telling people about it, we can earn a commission off of sharing those products with other people. And I also get a kickback in the form of commissions from a lot of the software programs that I use in my business. I talk about them all the time in my Facebook group, which you should join, as well as right here on Free Mama TV. I tell people, here's how I built my business. Here's how I built these digital products. I use Canva. I use ClickFunnels. I use ActiveCampaign. I use Teachable. We have affiliate links for all of those things. Why? Because I'm the one notifying people about these platforms and how to use them. And these software programs will offer you a commission. And what's really cool about a lot of the things that I mentioned under commission is that they are recurring. So as long as someone is saying an active subscriber to these software programs will pay you over and over and over again every month as they collect their subscription. So this is a way not just to have semi-passive income, but recurring semi-passive income every single month. Okay, and the third way that I have semi-passive income coming into my bank account every single month, while yes, there's work on the front end, the revenue gets generated without me having to continue to do any work or maintenance is through Google AdSense. That I do have hooked up to my website, to my blog, but if I'm honest, that's not where our priority is. Right here, where you're watching me right now on YouTube. YouTube is a great platform to create semi-passive income. Now, I work really hard on this platform and I have hard expenses because I have an amazing YouTube manager that works with me to produce these videos for you. However, I've been making videos for years. And even if you go back to some of my very first videos, they continue to get high views. And because we have them linked to Google AdSense, we are able to create revenue that not only helps this channel become self-sustaining and pay for itself, but it's actually profitable through the ads that are shown to you throughout this channel. So if you have knowledge that you want to take out into the world and you are ready to build an online business with multiple revenue streams where you can use digital products, commissions from affiliate marketing, and Google AdSense to create some recurring semi-passive income so that you can be making money even while you sleep, here are your 3 ways that you can get started. Again, work smarter, not harder. It is the Free Mama way. So come join our community. Check out some of the other videos on this channel. I know we've got lots about these 2 topics in particular and how to get started. So I'm excited for your journey. Leave me some questions and comments down below so that we can make sure that you have everything you need to rock and roll and start generating some semi-passive income. I'll see you next time. That's not what I want to say. Gosh, what was I saying? We might need to back that up. I want to write it, but I hate when I write it because then if I mess up, it's already written. So we're just gonna do it anyway. Am I spelling that right? Okay, I'm gonna run out of time, so I'm starting to get stressed out. Where's my calendar?